Most people don't struggle because they lack inspiration. They struggle because they have too much of it. Every room online looks beautiful, so they save image after image. And eventually, they don't know what actually fits their own home anymore. The problem usually isn't Pinterest. The problem is where the process begins. Before searching for inspiration, you already know more than you think. You've learned how to study your room. You've thought about its purpose. You've decided how you want it to feel. You've chosen a style direction. And you've started thinking about color and lighting. Now you have something extremely important: direction. Because without direction, every beautiful room online starts looking like the right answer. But with direction, you begin searching differently. You're no longer asking, what room should I copy? You're asking, what ideas support the room I'm already trying to create? And that changes everything. Let's imagine we're designing a bedroom. The purpose is rest. The feeling we want is calm and cozy. The style we've chosen is organic modern. And we know we prefer warm neutral colors and soft lighting. Now we open Pinterest. But we're not searching for beautiful bedroom ideas. Instead, we search with intention. Organic modern bedroom. Warm neutral bedroom. Soft lighting bedroom. Now every image we see is already moving in the right direction. And instead of creating confusion, Pinterest starts helping us develop our idea. Because we're using inspiration to support our decisions, not replace them. Now you find a room you love. This is where many people make another mistake. They try to copy everything. The same sofa, the same coffee table, the same artwork. Instead, study the room. Ask yourself, what exactly am I responding to? Maybe it's the warm lighting, maybe it's the natural wood, maybe it's the soft textures, maybe it's simply the peaceful feeling. Now you're learning from the image, you're extracting principles, and principles can work in almost any home. Don't stop at one image, study several, and look for patterns. This is where most people discover their style. Maybe every room you saved uses warm neutrals. Maybe natural materials keep appearing. Maybe soft lighting shows up again and again. Maybe every room feels calm and uncluttered. These repeated details are not accidents. They're clues. They're showing you what your eye naturally prefers. Your style is usually hidden inside those patterns, not inside one perfect Pinterest image. Beautiful rooms don't begin with Pinterest. They begin with clarity. Understand your room, define its purpose, choose the feeling, select a style direction. Then, use inspiration intentionally. Study images, look for patterns, and let those patterns help you create a home that feels like you instead of a copy of someone else's.